Hello students, welcome to the classes. In this session, we will continue with MCQs on differentiation. Let's see the first question. d by dx of cos x degree. See here you have degree. First, I will convert degree to radian. Degree to radian, you should multiply by pi by 180. So you get pi by 180 into x. This is how we convert degree to radian. Now this we can write d by dx of what? Cos x degree is nothing but what? Pi by 180 into x. So what I am doing? I am converting degree to radian. Now this is equal to cos differentiation minus sine and bracket keep as it is pi by 180 into x as it is. Then differentiation of inside thing. Pi by 180 into x differentiation. Pi by 180. Why? It is like this. 2x differentiation 2. Coefficient as it is, differentiation of x is 1. Similarly, coefficient as it is, differentiation of x is 1. Let me write 1. So if you multiply with 1 also, it doesn't make any difference. Minus this pi by 180 I will write as it is into sine of, what is pi by 180 into x? That is nothing but what? X degree. So I can write it finally as what? X degree. So which option? Option 2. Right. Let's see the second question. What is log of mod x differentiation? Now see here, what is differentiation of mod x? Differentiation of mod x is mod x by x. Now here you have y equals to log of mod x. We have y equals to log of mod x. So dy by dx is, what is differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So here you have differentiation of log of mod x. So it is 1 by mod x. Into then mod x differentiation mod x by x. So these two get cancelled. We get what? 1 by x. So differentiation of log of mod x is what? 1 by x. Which option? Option 3. Right. Let's see the third question. d by dx of root sin x. See, root x differentiation is what? 1 by 2 root x. So root sin x differentiation 1 by 2 root sin x. Then sin x differentiation cos x. Now cos x into 1. Cos x by 2 root sin x. So which option? Option 1. Right. Let's see the fourth question. Now here they are given y equals to some function. Then they have asked what? Then they have asked dy by dx. Now y equals to, I will modify and write. See, I will write 1 minus cos x together. Okay. Plus sin x divided by, I will write 1 plus cos x together. Plus sin x. See, we know the formula for 1 minus cos x. That is given by 2 cos square x by 2. Plus, we know the formula for sin x. Just a second. 1 minus cos x is what? 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. And sin x is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Right. Whole divided by 1 plus cos x is what? 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin x is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now, here in the numerator, we can take 2 sin x by 2 common. If you take 2 sin x by 2 common, here you get what? You can see here 2 sin x by 2, 2 sin x by 2. I can take it common. So if you take 2 sin x by 2, here we get sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. I am taking these two common. So you get 1 sin left here, 1 cos left here. Divided by, here I can take 2 cos x by 2 common. So again inside we get what? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 we get. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now these two get cancelled. 2 and 2 cancel. Sin by cos, tan x by 2. That is nothing but what? That is y. But they have asked dy by dx. tan differentiation. So sec square x by 2. Then x by 2 differentiation 1 by 2. So what do you get? Sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2. I will write 1 by 2 here. Right. So which option? Option 2. Right. Let's see the fifth question. Now see here you have y equals to some function. What I will do? Y equals to root of sec x, we can write it as 1 by cos x minus 1. Sec x we can write 1 by cos x, this minus 1 as it is. Here 1 by cos x plus 1. Right. Now y equals to, take LCM, cos x into 1, cos x, 1 minus cos x by cos x. Again take LCM, cos x into 1, cos x, 1 plus cos x by cos x. Cos x cancel. Y equals to root 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancel. Root sin square by cos square, tan square x by 2. Square root cancel. We get y equals to tan x by 2. What is dy by dx? Differentiation of tan sec square x by 2 and differentiation of x by 2 1 by 2. Which option? Option 1. Right. Let's see the sixth question. Log of mod of sec x plus tan x. What is differentiation of log x? 1 by x, or differentiation of log of mod x? 1 by x. So it is 1 by sec x plus tan x into sec x differentiation, sec x into tan x, plus tan x differentiation, sec square x. Now see here, what I will do, I can take sec x common here. So you get sec x into sec x plus tan x divided by, I am taking sec x common in the numerator, denominator as it is, sec x plus tan x. Now these two get cancelled, you get sec x. So which option? Option 1. Let's see the seventh question. Now here, log of e raised to x into x minus 2 by x plus 2 raised to 3 by 4. So I will use a formula, log of m into n, log m plus log n. Right. And if you have denominator, let's say divided by p, then you will get minus log p. If you have in denominator, that will become minus. And I will also use one more formula here, log m raised to n is n log m. It means this n will come here. Okay, I am using these two different formulae. Okay, see, I will write directly here, d by dx of first one, this e raised to x, what I will do, log e raised to x, log m plus log n, log x minus 2 raised to 3 by 4 minus log p, denominator, log x plus 2 raised to 3 by 4, log x plus 2 raised to 3 by 4. Right. Now see here, this is d by dx of this x you can take here, you get log e value is 1, plus 3 by 4 you can take it here, you get log x minus 2, minus 3 by 4 you can take it here, you get log x plus 2. Right, d by dx means differential, x into 1 is x, differentiation of x is what? 1, plus 3 by 4 as it is, log x minus 2 differentiation, 1 by x minus 2, minus, this is minus, let me do one thing, let me erase this part. Okay, so minus 3 by 4 as it is, log x plus 2 differentiation, 1 by x plus 2. Now 1 plus, I'll take 3 by 4 common. So if you take LCM, x plus 2 into 1, x plus 2, minus x minus 2 into 1, x minus 2, divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2, x square minus 4. Now minus x plus x cancel, minus into minus plus, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 3 by 4 into 4 by x square minus 4. 4 and 4 cancel. You get what? 1 plus 3 by x square minus 4. Right. So which option? Option 1. 1 plus 3 by x square minus 4. Let's see the 8th question. If y equals to 2 raised to ax and given dy by dx equals to log 256 at x equal to 1, then the value of a. See, y equals to 2 raised to ax. Right. Now dy by dx is what? A raised to x differentiation, a raised to x into log a to the bc. I apply the same formula here. 2 raised to ax differentiation, 2 raised to ax into log 2 to the base c. Then differentiation of ax you should do. I am applying chain rule. Differentiation of ax is what? A. So now at x equal to 1 means dy by dx. I'll write here at x equal to 1. Substitute the value of x as 1. A into 1, a. And this a I'll keep as it is. And log 2 to the base c, or log 2 simply I will write. This value they are given log 256. Now this is a into 2 raised to a is log 256 divided by log 2. Right. Now 256 we can write 2 raised to 8 divided by log 2. Now you can take 8 here according to the formula in the previous case we have seen. 8 log 2 divided by log 2. Right. Log 2 cancel, we get 8. So we got a into 2 raised to a equals to 8. Check which option satisfies. If a is 0, 0 into anything 0. So this is not your option. If a is 1, 1 into 2 raised to 1. So you get what? 2 only. 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 2. 1 into 2, 2. So this is not your option. Substitute a as 2. 2 into 2 raised to 2. 2 into 2 raised to 2 is 4. 2 4s are what? 8. So which option? Option 3, 2. Right. Let's see the 9th question. F of x they are given what? Mod x minus 2. Then g of x is what? F of x. Means what? What is f of x? Mod of x minus 2. This f of mod of x minus 2 means in the function f of x, wherever you have x, there you replace with mod x minus 2. So what it becomes? See here, mod of x I will replace with what? Mod x minus 2. Okay, and minus 2. See, as they have given x is greater than 20. See here, we have definition of mod x or mod x definition is what? This is x if x greater than 0, minus x if x less than 0. This we can write greater than or equal to. Now here mod x minus 2, this we can write it mod x minus 2, we can write it x minus 2 if x greater than 2, not 0 here, minus of x minus 2 if x less than 2. Now tell me whether x less than 2 or greater than 2 here. Here x greater than 20. Obviously it has to be greater than 2. So this we can write it as what? X minus 2 only according to this definition. X minus 2 minus 2. What do you get? Mod of x minus 4. This is g of x. But we want g dash of x. What is g dash of x? Okay, one more thing before that. Now as I have given x is greater than 20. If x is greater than 20, if I apply the same notation here, if x is greater than 2 we have, here we have 4. So if I apply that, mod of x minus 4 is what? X minus 4 if x greater than 4 minus of x minus 4, okay, if x less than 4. If I apply this, okay, according to this condition, x is greater than 20. So here it has to be greater than 4. Obviously it is greater than 4 because it is greater than 20 means it is greater than 4 already. So this we can write x minus 4. Now tell me what is g dash of x. Differentiation of x 1 minus differentiation of 4 0. 1 minus 0 1. Which option? Option 2. Right. Let's see the 10th question. Y equals to 1 plus x square into tan inverse x minus x. Differentiate dy by dx. Apply product rule. 1 plus x square as it is. Tan inverse x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x as it is 1 plus x square, 1 differentiation 0, x square differentiation 2x minus differentiation of x is 1. Now see 1 plus x square cancel. dy by dx equals to 1 plus 2x plus 0, 2x tan inverse x and then minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. You get 2x tan inverse x. So which option? Option 3, 2x tan inverse x.